Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking a few essentials. Make sure the battery is above 20% and that you can unlock the phone now. This prevents interruptions. Once done, back up important data. This is precautionary. Next, open settings and navigate to security or lock screen depending on your device. You're beginning the lock setup immediately. Don't pause on menus. Tap screen lock and prepare to choose between swipe, pattern, PIN, or password. Each offers different security and convenience. Now you choose the lock method that fits your needs. Pattern for speed, PIN for balance, password for strength, or biometric for convenience. You must first set a primary lock like PIN or password. Enter it twice to confirm and avoid typos. For a PIN, use at least 4 digits. For a password, include mixed characters for better protection. Once that's in place, add fingerprint or face recognition. Follow on-screen prompts to scan multiple angles. Make sure to read prompts about backup methods and timeout behavior. Finish by testing. Lock the screen and unlock it using every method you configured so you confirm it works under real conditions. Next, tweak timeout, notification visibility, and smart lock settings for trusted places or devices. These control when the phone stays unlocked. If a biometric fails, remove and re-enroll that fingerprint or face. And if problems persist, reboot the phone and try setup again. Keep one recovery method memorized, your PIN or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.